Hey guys, welcome back to Winning Brains. Today I have a quick challenge for all those super smart cubers out there. Okay, so on my birthday, that was on 6th of Jan this year, I received an unknown parcel from Cubelelo. I was wondering from whom it was, and it was this cool YJ Axis cube which I got, and it was from my neighbor. And at first I thought it was a like really good cube. It was looking good, shape shifting and all. But then I realized that the worst thing is I do not know how to solve this, and it's been quite a long time since I've given up. And lately I've been thinking how to interact with my audience, with my viewers and subscribers. So I thought, why not ask you guys to teach me how to solve this cube? Yes, all the time I teach you guys, but this time you have to teach me. Okay, you guys have to teach me how to solve this cube, and all you have to do is, if you know how to solve the y-axis cube, you have to make a video and make sure you DM me on Insta, you follow me, and the link is in the description. And all the entries will be from Instagram only. And if you're successful to teach me and I'm able to solve this cube, then I would give you a shout out on the next video. Until then, stay tuned. And I've somehow managed to get this cube somewhat done. Yeah, till here I've managed to get the white and some stuff. Looks like only yellow and some part is left. Okay, so if I'm able to solve it by the next video, then I'm gonna feature you and give you a shout out on the next video. So make sure you teach me properly in case, and the first one and the lucky one is gonna get the shout out. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Winning Brains. Winning Brains signing off.